Nagulat ako dito sa Tami. Ang dami nilang maglagay ng syrup and toppings. Recently, na-try ko itong Tami sa bago nilang branch in Shangri-La Mall. Forever buy one take one daw sila. Pero pag kinumpute mo, makakasave ka ng around 50 pesos pag dalawa yung binili mo. We got the buy one take one large size for 350 pesos. Each with 2 fruits, 2 crunches, and 1 sauce. Yung isa ang pinalagay namin is strawberries, blueberries, Oreos, cookies, and matcha syrup. This one is the Biscoff. Winner yung Biscoff sauce nila. Sobrang nagustuhan namin. At sobrang generous nila maglagay ng sauce. This one naman is the matcha syrup. Lasang-lasa mo yung bitterness ng matcha dito. And look at the color. Medyo natamisan lang ako ng konti dito, kaya mas preferred ko itong Biscoff. Look at this frozen yogurt. Dalawang large size for 350 pesos. Sulit na sulit na. Yung yogurt base nila is tangy. Medyo mas malabnaw lang siya and less creamy compared do sa mga other frozen yogurt na na-try ko na. But this one is a really good option kasi wala masyadong frozen yogurt dito sa Shangri-La Mall. I really like yung blueberries nila, pati yung strawberries. Yung mangga lang nila before, super asim. But I guess now, mas matatamis na yung mga mangoes kasi in season na to. I also like their selections of toppings. Kayo guys, have you tried Tami frozen yogurt?